talk to you about athletics.
Madison College is home to many different intercollegiate athletics. There's men's and women's soccer, golf, volleyball, men's and women's basketball, softball, and baseball. There are a couple ways to get involved with sports.
Our sports are really successful, and the intercollegiate athletics here at the college does a great job. So the majority of our student athletes are recruited, and they're recruited by their coaches. So in order to participate, you have to be recruited or try out for the team. Fill out a prospective student athlete form on our website. Contact the coach. And then also we have open tryouts for all our sports, so to give that a try.
If you're not interested in that, we have intramurals and other offerings too. For the most up-to-date information on intramurals, visit the recreation website.
So for people that haven't done sports in a long time, I would suggest, we have a wonderful fitness center to get involved in the fitness center and use our facilities. You take 1 degree credit at the college and you have access to those facilities.
You'll also be able to get into games for free. If you have any questions about athletics, contact the athletic office at 608-245-2100. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WolfPack wisdom.